Good day, sir. I am Axers Gamba, third year student, third year Battle Juice. Today, I will be explaining the IMO performance standards for ECDIS, operational and functional requirements under Resolution MSC.530106 Revision 1. It focused on Module A database provisions and updating. From MSC 2.23282 to MSC 530106 Revision 1, adopted on 7th November 2022, revising ECDIS performance standards for optional reliability, technological progress, and IHO S-100 data standards. So what is revised? Operational reliability ECDIS needed updated standards to reflect technological progress and experience gained since 2006. What's new? Introduce the new generation IHO S-100 series of data standards and standardized digital exchange of ships route plans. Who is affected? Applies to ECDIS equipment installed on or after 1st of January 2029, whether standalone or part of an integrated navigation system. Scope of ECDIS and key definition. Understanding these terms is essential before examining Module A database requirements. In Scope A, Section 1, we have primary focus navigational safety with adequate backup and arrangements. ENDS charts and publication must comply with SOLAS Chapter 5 and IHO standards. Must display all necessary nautical information for safety and efficient navigation. Should reliably facilitate simple updating of the ECDIS. Reduces navigational workload versus analog charts, supports planning, monitoring, and record of position. Integrates radar, AIS, and track targets data layers for route monitoring. Raster Display System or RCDS mode permitted only where ANC coverage is unavailable and must not be inferior. ENC is electronic navigational chart that's standardized database issued by an authorized hydrographic office conforming to IHO standards. While ENDS is a navigational data service, a special purpose database of charts and publication data, its navigational base layer is the ENC. System database. The manufacturer's internal ECDIS format resulting from lossless transformation of ENDS content. This is what ECDIS actually assess for display. We have provisions and updating of the ENDS. Section 4 of MSC 530106 Revision 1, set of the electronic navigational chart. A navigational data must be sourced, kept current and safeguarded aboard ship. 4.1 to 4.3 of sources integrity and the system database content. 4.4 to 4.5 automatic and manual updating procedures. 4.6 to 4.7 is record keeping review of updates, and 4.8 is compliance with the IHO data protection scheme. Provision of data and source integrity. 4.1 we have authorized source. ENDS information used ECDIS shall be issued by or on the authority of a government authorized hydrographic office or other relevant government institution. 4.2 adequate and up to date. Content must be adequate and up to date for the intended voyage as required by SOLAS Regulation 519 and 527. Data integrity. Or 4.3 data integrity. The content of ENDS or information in the system database must not be alterable and must comply with IHO standards, including rules for integrability. Updating the database. 2 update pathways are recognized under the standard, each with distinct safeguards. 4.4 which is the automatic updates. Official updates should be applied by the system automatically. Updating must not interfere with the use or legibility of the display. Ensures the mariner is not distracted from the route monitoring during the update process. 4.5 is the manual update. Manual updating must remain possible with verifications prior to final acceptance of the data. Manually entered updates must be clearly distinguishable from the official ENDS information, and the manual updates must not be affect the legibility of the display. Record keeping and mariner review. Update applied. An official or manual update is applied to the system database. 4.6 ECDIS keeps record of updates including time and application until superseded by a new edition. 4.7 we have mariner review. The mariner can review updated and contents to confirm all information has been included. Compliance with the IHO data protection scheme. Update must be authenticated and protected against tampering in lines with the IHO publication. IHO publication S-63 or Data Protection Scheme for S-57 ENCs, the legacy vector chart transfers format currently most used in an operational context. While the S-100 Part 15 Data Protection Scheme for S-100 products, the next generation IHO standards framework, introduced by MSC 530106. Key takeaways of Module A in a nutshell. Authorized and current ENDS must come from an authorized government or hydrographic sources and stay adequate for the intended voyage of 4.1 to 4.2. Protected integrity and content is non-alterable IHO interoperable and safeguarded under the S-63 or S-100 Part 15 Data Protection Scheme for 4.3 to 4.8. We have seamless updating. Automatic updates apply without disrupting the display. Manual updates are verified and clearly marked in 4.4 to 4.5. We have traceable and reviewable. Every update is timestamped and retained until superseded, and miners can review it before the voyage of 4.6 to 4.7. For my reference or sources, we have International Maritime Organization of 2022 Resolution MSC 530106, Performance Standards for Electronic Chart Display Information System ECDIS or IMO. International Maritime Organization 2024 Resolution MSC 530106 Revision 1 Performance Standards for Electronic Chart Display Information System or ECDIS or IMO. International Maritime Organization 2006 Resolution MSC 23282 Adoption of the Revised Performance Standards for Electronic Chart Display and Information System ECDIS or IMO. International Hydrographic Organization or IHO Publication S-63 Data Protection Scheme IHO. International Hydrographic Organization IHO Publication S-100 Part 15 Data Protection Scheme IHO. SOLAS Chapter 5 Regulation 19 and 27 Carriage Requirement for Shipborne Navigational System and Equipment, Nautical Charts and Publication. So that is all, sir, for my video presentation of IMO Performance Standards for ECDIS. I hope you like the video, sir, and thank you and have a good day.